Has this ever happened to you? Muted audio on your Twitch VODs. It's a pain in the butt. And when you go there after your stream to try and make some cool clips, and then your audio's all muted because somebody on your Discord server played some music, or maybe your phone rang and you still got that 50 Cent song as your ringtone, and now you've played copyright music, so Twitch has muted your audio. Let's go ahead and figure out how to fix that. All right. The first thing that you need to do is go into OBS and make separate audio channels for whatever it is you're playing on stream. Now, everything you play is going to go through your desktop audio, so you need to have that muted. So go ahead and mute that and then pretend it doesn't even exist. But now only people in your audience can hear your voice. So let's add a game channel so they can hear your game audio. You're going to go to sources, hit the plus sign, go to application audio capture. We're going to name this game sound. Hit OK. And now it's going to ask, what is your game? You're going to right click on the windows and you're going to look for whatever game you're playing. I'm playing Dave the Diver. So as you can see right here, Dave the Diver. And you hit OK. The only issue with that is every time you change games, you need to change your game audio. Now let's see that works. Game audio is right here. I'm going to click on the game. There you can see it. All right, when I tab out, the music stops. You don't hear it no more. Let's say you want to play some sound effect. It's called Why is the Rum Gone? Why is the Rum Gone? And so nobody can hear that until you add it to your OBS. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go into OBS, and just like we added the game, we're going to add that Internet Explorer window, application audio capture. We're going to name this something easy that we understand. It's Twitch doesn't hear this. All right. And what do they not hear? It's going to be my Internet Explorer. Why is the rum gone? Find that .exe and add it to it and hit OK. So now your audio channels are all separated. Go to the stream tab and make sure that you're using the Twitch service. If you're using any other service, then this is not going to work. Twitch, connect account, type in your awesome name. I'm Captain Deadface Morgan. Put in my super awesome secret password. So you're probably going to see something like this. Okay. You want to go to Advanced tab, but don't worry, it's not that advanced. And you stay on the first tab, the streaming tab. And right here is where you make your money. Twitch VOD track, turn that on. When you turn that on, now OBS is sending out 2 separate audio tracks. One to your audience that's listening to you live, and then another one that's going to Twitch VOD that will be saved for other people to enjoy later. Hit apply, hit OK. And then now we're going to go to that audio source where it says Twitch doesn't hear this. You want to click the 3 little buttons here and go to Advanced Audio. And then right here where it says Twitch doesn't hear, you're going to scroll all the way to the right. And remember, Twitch VOD was 2, so we're going to uncheck Twitch VOD 2. And that's it. You're done. And that's how you make sure you don't lose all your audio during your Twitch VODs. I appreciate you all being here. If you learned something, please like, share, and subscribe. And other than that, have a wonderful sale.